Just got done sharing my heart here at Sandy Hook School in Newtown, Connecticut, and it was a real honor to be present today with the kindergarten through fourth graders, all of their teachers and support staff, as well as I got to share my heart and a very inspirational, positive, life-changing message that deals around anti-bullying, but more than that, truly looking at someone for their heart before anything else, first and foremost. Just like the shirt says here, one race, human, that we see everybody around us as human beings before anything else, and that we choose to not only believe that we are true miracles, the M etched on all of our palms, that the lines on our hands, but upside down, that we are also worthy of love as well, to give it and to receive it. And it was very well received. A few tears, some emotion, but like I say, tears are the sweat of our strength and the start of healing and feeling again. And so for us to understand that we can become these healed people that truly help to heal other people, it's a very important message to take home at a young age, to know that we can be that light to someone's heart and that we can truly start to give back. Just like you see your best friend, right, for who they are on the inside, that we can turn whatever is going on in our hearts into this, the peace sign. One finger ourselves, the other for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat them with kindness, with compassion, with empathy, with respect. And it was just beautiful to hear some students talking about wanting to start kindness clubs here, that they are doing kindness notebooks, that they're doing so many different things around their school already to be kind. And it's free to give, but once we do give it, we actually receive that much more into our hearts, and we want to keep doing it. And that's how we start to change this world. Like Gandhi talks about, be the change you wish to see in the world, but he said that you must be the change, that it's not even a choice. It's our job as human beings to show that love and to always give it back, no matter what. So thank you again for allowing me the opportunity to speak with all of you and get to share my heart. I hope to be back again one day in the near future. Until then, much love, peace.